Hello everyone, I'm Raul from TheDigitalAztec, and I wanted to present to you one of our most popular designs. And what I mean by designs is, first of all, we treat our refurbished computers like our pets. We tweak them, we set them up down to the specifications of the owner, and what you're going to get is a really good system that is not Windows, that is not Apple, has a combination of those two, and we've basically tweaked the computer with the Linux system to fit any type of student, professional, or even hobbyist, as far as guitarists, word processor. It even has graphical tools in the system. Now, the specifications for this computer, this refurbished computer, is a Dell System GX280. It does have an Intel Pentium processor, CPU of 3.00, 1 megabyte of RAM, and it does include 80 gigabytes of hard drive, a CD, DVD player, so you can play your movies on the system. But I just wanted to show you what this computer has. What we've installed in the system is very basic, but just keep in mind that already with what we've installed, you'll already have a system that if you go to Best Buy, if you buy a laptop or anything, first of all, it'll cost you $300 to $400, and it's not going to have any type of the software that this system is going to have. For example, the word processor, you get a 30-day I believe it gives you a 30-day trial for Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Then after that, you have to pay the $200, $300. With this, it's included. And the other thing with Linux, it's an open source environment. So if you need other types of software, give us a call or just go into the system, look for the software, and it's in there, and it's there for free. Okay, now let me show you what the system looks like. This is one of our best looking computers, and let me just show you what I'm talking about. So first of all, we have the dock, just like Mac, right? And includes Firefox, includes a word processor, a tool that's just like PowerPoint, Excel, a dictionary. Let me just show you what it looks like. So I clicked on the word processor, and there you go, and you can save it as such as a Word document, so there's no big difference. And same thing with Excel and PowerPoint. The other thing is you can have your email on the Evolution tool. You can record your own movies, kind of like iMovie on Mac. And you know, the good thing about all of these pieces of software is if you need any tutorials, just go into YouTube and type the name of the recorder. For example, this is PTV Video Editor. Go in there and just let me show you. It looks a lot like that iMovie, and as you can see, we can create our own movies. And so, if you need a little tutorial, go into the YouTube, put that name, and you'll get a free tutorial in there. Now, this tool also comes with GIMP, which is a very good photo editor. You have the desktop tool. This is where you can go and select the desktop. So if you're a student and you have different things going on your you can have a word processor. I mean, you might be writing a document, but then you need to go and play a game, finish a game, or change that song from your YouTube channel, so you can just go back and forth. Now that's one way of doing it. You also have a tool where you can just go from one page to the other. Just as you can see, you have 4 screens, and you can just maneuver there. So you know, it's a pretty nice graphical tool. The cue, and of course you have a rhythm box where you can store your music, and of course turn off your computer. Now at the top, this is where you have, you can get your mail. You have the time, the date, so you can click on your calendar, view your calendar from there. What you also have here is where you have your accessories, you have your games, and we can add more games for you if you have kids. You have graphics, internet, Office, if you need more software, this is what we were talking about. It's called the Ubuntu Software Center. So if you need any accessories, educational type of software, internet graphics, office, science and engineering, sounds and video, themes and tweaks, because you can tweak this computer. But if you need anything, just go in here, look for the software that you need, download it, and it comes there free. And it's been here since the late 70s. Well, it's actually been longer than that, but as you can see from, I clicked on education, and you have some Dr. Geo math tools, make it fun for the kids. So you have all of these tools, all of this software available for you. And the other thing that is very, very important, more for parents than for children or students, is what is one of the main concerns that we have with our teenagers. I know I had it with my teenagers or our kids, that when they go onto websites and they either play a game or they open Windows or so, what is the main concern? That they get viruses all the time. Well, with Linux, you will not get any viruses. So that will eliminate the virus problem that you probably have, like I did. So this eliminates viruses. This includes all of the software. Everything's included. We will be able to tweak the computer, tweak the wallpaper, add specific items that you need. So if you play guitar, there's free software for guitar where you can just hook up a USB. The USB costs about $10 via eBay. Hook it up, connect it, and wow, you have your own studio with a rack system. So you have distortion. Wow, it's pretty impressive. And all we're asking for this computer is $200. It comes just a basic computer, so you select your own monitor. I'll see if I can get you a mouse. I don't have any keyboards, but this computer alone, all you have to do is go and get yourself a really cheap monitor, $50, $100 monitor, and you have your own system with all the software needed for future users. And like I said, from there you can use it as a student, a professional, or just if you want to watch YouTube. It's already ready for you. Thank you very much, and have a great day.